Belina me ke aloha. I'm Kumaile coming to you from Kahale Hoaka on the island of Molokai. We have created the Hale Kula Educator's Package, a beautiful collection of waihona of different courses that cover pre-K through 8th grade. All of these courses are taught through a Hawaiian world perspective in order to instill a stronger sense of self, identity, community, ʻohana, and kuleana within all of our students. We've created several different multidisciplinary courses that weave together very important subjects like science, social studies, language arts, fine arts, and world languages. We're so proud to say that our courses will help to fulfill standards in areas such as the Hawaii Common Core standards, Nahopena A'o, Na'ana'o, the Kaiapuni Learner Outcomes, as well as NGSS, the Next Generation Science Standards. Included in the Hale Kula Educators Package is Papahapu'u, which is an early education program that I created in bilingual context. So we have the ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi version and English version that is built around literacy and storytelling. We also include the Papa Keiki, which is a beginning ʻōlelo Hawaiʻi class that's friendly for all ages. Keaune is included, which is a really robust indigenous science course that's interwoven with arts and mele and exploring the world through science. And we also have Papa Konane, which is a course that goes from kindergarten through 8th grade through the medium of social studies, art, and English language arts. On top of that, we even offer access to Kakau mo ʻōlelo, which is a secondary education curriculum that explores various genres of writing through the subject areas of Hawaiian history, U.S. history, and world history. It's a project-based course that fulfills learner outcomes in English language arts, social studies, fine arts, and world languages. Included in the Educators Package, we also have bonus libraries. We have Ku'ukino Kapu, which is a course that's built around building awareness towards sexual abuse and prevention. We also include Hanai Kia'i, which is a really fun parenting course that I created to help parents kumu along the way as we raise our children. Also included is Papa Paheona, so we have workshops, art workshops that you can use at your disposal anytime you need to weave and supplement into different types of lessons that you might have. We also have a very vast library of helu and mele, which are read-alogs with me, with digitized books, and songs that tie into the context. We also have Kahalehuaka Explores, a fun science series that we created through our partnership with Hui o Kopa, a nonprofit org that works with fish ponds. And last, we have a standalone library where we pulled all of those oli and mele that you learn in all of our different units, and we made a standalone library where you can go right there and practice all of your mele and oli. We are always here to support you as educators, as makua, as kumu. At Kahalehuaka, we are here to join you on your journey through learning. Ahui ho malama pono.